Hello everyone, welcome today on Monday, September the 19th, 2022. We have here in this puzzle page only one regular puzzle, Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And in this puzzle page we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 star Sudoku, and a 4 star Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it cijfer block. And the last one is a binary puzzle, and those puzzles I'm not interested. So a total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. So only one regular puzzle, and half of the additional with the puzzles. I believe 4 of them I will solve. And what's the news of today? Well, it's the state funeral of Queen Elizabeth II. Yes, yeah. I have a picture of the people who are waiting for the coffin. Yeah. All right. Let me continue with the one and only Sudoku Medium for today. Medium Sudoku number. This will be number 5197. Yes, 5197. Let me mark this. Okay. 5197. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. This will be a 2 stars. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So is this really a 2 stars? I do not know, but we'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about? Let me see. 7, 1, the 3. Yeah, we have a pair. The 1 and the 3 in the first row. The 1 and the 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Okay. 8. So we have 4 missing numbers now in the third row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 6 in this row, first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4, it goes there. Alright. Okay. 7. And now, let me see. 2. 9. I'm thinking 3. 4. Come on. It's taking too long. 2. Yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the middle column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 7 and the 6. Come on, 9, 9. 4, 4. 2, 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in the last column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2, okay. And now. 3, 3. 8, 8. Thinking. Come on. 7. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4. Yeah, I'm still thinking. The 5 in the third row, the 5 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2, 8, 7. We have a 2 in this column, the 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4, it goes there. 7, 7. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, can be 6, can be 7, can be 8, can be 9. Yes, definitely a 3. The hidden number 3, 3. And we have a pair. The 2 and the 3 in this column. The 2, no. Wrong. Let me wait for the 3. We have a 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3. 3. Okay, alright. And now 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in these 3 boxes here. 1 in second column, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be here. 1. Then 8. 5. Come on. 6, 9, 4. 9. 6, 9, 4. Okay. 5, 8, 9. Yeah, 5, 8, 9. Come on. 3. I'm thinking. 2 missing numbers in the first column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. 4. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. On that column, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in that row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. have 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see our 5 in this row. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5. Okay, cannot continue with the 5 now. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. 6, 7 and 3. 3, 3. 7, 7. 7, 7. Come on. 8, 8. 6, 7, and 9. We have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see our 9 in this row. No 9 there, 9 should be there. So 9, 9. We have a pair. The 9 and 8 in this column. The 9 and 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places left for the 9 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 9 and 8, 9 and 8, 9 and 8. But we have also a 9 and 8 in this row. So no 9 and 8 in this box. The 9 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 8, 9 and 8. Alright. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1, 3, and the 5. Yeah. So 3 missing numbers now. We have a 9 and 8. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, and look, we have a 1 and a 5 in this row. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 here in this row, so no 5 there. So the 1 goes there and the 5 goes here. So 1 digit left in this column for the number 3. Yeah, 3. Okay, 1 number left in this big square for number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1, 6, 7. Okay. The 3 in this row, the 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 in this column, last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then 6, 7, and 5. We need a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 4. We need a 4. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the second column. So no 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright, then 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there, 8 should be there. Now we have 8 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9 and 8. We have an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 is also missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the same numbers. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. Yeah, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. How about these? Also 6 and a 7. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Same number, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Same numbers in this big square for numbers 6 and 7. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow. So, yeah. I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.